Okay, on the next video, you're going to do this all alone, but I'm going to show you how it's done and where to find your answers. Okay, so we're going to be doing some research on here. Using sources, we're going to find some answers. So the instructions say click on the website, that's over here, to look at the 3 resources. With a partner, that's going to be me right now, complete the following school research report on the musical group, the Digital Citizens, based on the 3 sites. Okay, so we're actually going to be going here, but let's first of all look at our questions. So I'm going to shrink this up a little bit. There we go. Okay, so we've got the Digital Citizens. It says heart, arms, guts, feet, legs, and head. Okay, and the question is, when is Feet's birthday? That's the first one. What is the band's newest song? When was their first concert? How many band members are in the group? So these are the 4 questions we are going to be looking for answers for. All right, so let's go ahead and pull this down again. We're going to go here, so you're going to click on here. If you notice, you've got 2 tabs now. So you're going to use both of these tabs. Okay, so it says, let's give credit. So here it goes, the Digital Citizens. We went over their names, heart, arms, guts, feet, leg, head. You can pretty much see why they're called that. So resource 1, this is resource 1, says www.thedigitalcitizens.org. It says a new band coming together by Tamara Jones, August 13th, 2019. It says on August 12th, here it goes, on August 12th, 2019, the Digital Citizens had their very first concert. So remember when it asked over here, when was their first concert? August 12th, 2019. So we're going to go down here. Yeah, we'll go blue. Why not? About there. Okay. This up. All right, and we're going to move it down here. When was their first concert? I'm going to pull this out. Actually, we're going to bring it up like this. There we go. So that it fits here in the box. A little bit higher. So it fits in the box. There we go. And August 12th, 2019. So we're going to type August 12th, 2019. Okay. And there we go. So we got August 12th, 2019. That was when their first concert was. Okay, going back. The Digital Citizens had their very first concert August 12th, 2019. They are a band of 6 members. So we'll go back here because that's how many are in the band. Actually, I wonder if I could. Okay, no, I can't. So again, we'll shrink it up. Make sure it fits. And there are 6 members. I wonder if I could do this. No, I can't. Okay, so 6 members. So right here, let's go green this time. We'll go 6 members. Okay, 6 members. Next, we've got Feet and the band's newest song. So let's see what we can find out. Okay, so resource 2, www.newbeatstoday.com. Introducing Feet by Michael Jenner. Feet is the newest member of the Digital Citizens and plays the drums. Feet's birthday is December 13th. Okay, so that was one of our questions. When is Feet's birthday? December 13th. So I'm going to go here, choose another color. December 13th. There we go. So December 13th. Okay. And then all that's left now is the band's newest song. Okay. Feet loves going online to learn about new things and listen to new music. Feet's new favorite song is Smooth Trails Ahead. Now, resource 3, the www.wethedigitalcitizens.com says new song release. I think this is where we're going to find our answer, by the Digital Citizenry. There's a popular song sweeping the nation this month. It's called We the Digital Citizens. The song features a drummer named Feet along with 5 other backup singers. The group is performing this song all around the country, and people are singing it all over town. So, the song is We the Digital Citizens. So let's go back, and we're going to add another one. Let's go with red. Okay, and shrink it up. That's a left click hold, by the way, just in case if you're wondering. Left click hold and drag. So it's called We the and right up here you can see Digital Citizens. Digital Citizens. I think that's what it was called, right? We the Digital Citizens. Yep, that's it. So there we go. So now we've answered all the questions. So December 13th, We the Digital Citizens, August 12th, 2019, and 6 members. All right, so good job. When you're done, you can close that one out, and you can go ahead and submit down below, and then click on to the next slide. All right, good luck, and yeah, refer to this video whenever you need it.